practically all the colors. I'm using white, yellow, red, blue. You know, so white with all of those colors together will give you a gray.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you in a second. All right, so it was white, and then I used the three colors there.
Okay.
I even used a little bit of black, but not burnt umber.
Okay.
And I'm making this thing here. Okay. It's hard to tell what it is. It is slightly yellowish, actually. I'm going to make it darker than I think it should be, with a little bit of black, because I want those flowers to show a bit more. So it's a decision you have to make as the artist, okay? Sort of how much you want sort of things to show. So I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm just sculpting those petals
Okay.
into existence. Okay. You see, I've got to come out a wee bit more there. And the thing is, right, Van Gogh, who we all love, he would paint flowers, and then he'd look at it and think, ah, there's not enough balance in it. So he'd stick another sort of flower head in, you know, like in the sunflowers. He just
Yeah.
put one in that wasn't even there.